All right, which way does your propeller turn? Well, one way you would think is you would just come here and see, but you can see it freely rotates both ways. So that's not really going to help. What will help is this little trick. So we're going to put our hands down here. It'd be easier if it was on a flat surface, so this was just on a table. But you put your hands here and you can see my index finger is right on the hub and my other fingers are lifted up. So it's turning right. If it was, I think what they said was like some of the Volvo Penta outdrives and a lot of ski boats and stuff will run left-hand ones. If that was the case, then your fingers would kind of look like this. But since they're like this, this one rotates right. And it's a Mercury Alpha drive, so, you know, pretty standard. But that's what you do. That's how it gets done. If you have any other tips or tricks, leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate your time. SK Lifestyle.